Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at CryptoGains and happy Monday. Most major cryptocurrency markets are reasonably flat, not presenting major opportunities. Of course, you can trade even in flat markets with a lot of leverage, but for the purpose of this video, I'd like to focus more on the markets that present some real opportunities. But before I do that, just a quick run through Bitcoin. Basically, we're seeing trading within a range. The RSI is just above 50, indicating just slightly more bullish rather than a bearish sentiment. Not a lot of happening with the MACD. Both lines pretty much parallel, moving forward but not indicating any major change. The picture with Ethereum is reasonably similar, with the only difference that Ethereum has been trading more within its Bollinger Band range, reaching the top band and then bouncing or retracing back all the way to the bottom one and then repeating the same thing over again. This indicates that there is an opportunity to trade that range. Of course, when you see that it's breaking above its upper band, you can wait for a retracement. Usually I wouldn't be selling while it's making green candles outside a Bollinger Band, but as soon as it has a red candle completing within or crossing through the upper band, I would be considering opening a short position and trading it in the other direction. Similarly, closing the position when I have a green line crossing above and closing above the lower Bollinger Band. Ripple, similar picture. Ripple is reasonably flat, not a lot of happening, so nothing major to discuss here. However, what we're seeing is some good opportunities in Stellar versus Tether. What we're seeing is that the cryptocurrency is trying to push through a very substantial resistance level near the 0.083 line, which it just touched during the weekend, but it failed to break through, and it's having another go today. We observed that the last two 4-hourly charts came on a reasonably heavier volume considered with the declining candles before that, so there can be a good opportunity to test through that resistance level, and if that happens successfully, the next resistance level is around the 0.085 mark, which is more of a longer term resistance dating back all the way to the middle of September. Now, if this 0.085 level is broken, then we can see more upside going all the way and testing the 0.1 level, which is very strong psychological resistance level for Stellar versus Tether. And finally, I want to briefly show you what's happening with Litecoin versus Bitcoin on the daily chart. What we're currently observing is that the price broke below a very strong support area around the 0.00414 level during the weekend, then retested it yesterday, and today it seems like it's making a decisive move below that level. Clearly, in conjunction with the MACD line crossing below the signal line, considered a bearish indicator, and with the RSI approaching levels of 30 and potentially even lower, I can see this as a potentially strong indicator for more downside in Litecoin versus Bitcoin, and to consider opening a short position. Clearly, the stop loss level will be where the previous resistance was, which is now going to be support, which is around the 0.00414 level. I hope that makes sense to you, and you can further increase your knowledge of crypto trading by going on the StormGain platform, the video education section, where you can find all previous videos in the CryptoGains Market Insights subsection. Thank you very much for joining me. Trade wisely. I wish you a good and successful week, and I'll see you soon. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the StormGain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.